This is what my setup looks like. One CFS on the top, another one on the side. The CFS blocking the path to the view of my marble figures on the shelf. Running two CFS units on my Creality K2 Plus is great for multicolor printing, but the default layout not so much. One blocks the top and the other one lies in the side. So today I'm fixing out using a metallic microwave shelf with a sliding tray. I'm moving both CFS units to the side for a cleaner and more functional setup. This is the shelf I got. It has a sliding shelf. It will be very useful to change the filaments, and it also is adjustable. Remove the CFS for its place. And the other one. Put the shelf in place. Put the CFS one on the top and the CFS 2 to the bottom. Connect the new tubes and change the data cable for a longer one. And connect the CFS cable and PTFE. Connect the cables and the PTFE from the both CFS and check that everything is fine to the printer. You can see now the setup is much cleaner. And the sliding shelf allows me to put the filaments on place. Now I have very good access to the top, and my figures have the proper view they deserve. As a bonus, it comes with some hooks. I use one of them to hang one of the place cutters. What do you think about my new setup? I'm sure it could be better, but for now I'm fine with it. Read in the comments. Happy printing!